Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Vice Chancellor jangka School Bar Northeastern Hill University ula Thung daka komiti ya ka ban kle da Dr. Desmond Karmo Plang uban sapnlong ya ka Jingtohkit halor ka Jingïakynad kabalami hapdeng kinongyalam jangka Northeastern Hill University Students Union bat gibor penia jangka Nehu Tura campus haka hinyo bat pratarik ubna yayong arhajar khat kandai haka por ka jingle jingo jang kinongyalam ka Nehusu ya ki samla pule ki basa hostel ha Nehu Tura campus. Hadirin bakalami ke Jingïakynad Pro Vice Chancellor ke Nehu Tura Campus uji singaya bat kontopru yo Proctor ke Nehu Tura Campus ujino sangma gila mudui da ke jahar persya ya kinongyalam ke Nehusu dak bakeno bagila thau jingkulmar hapo ke campus kat bana kaliang ke Nehusu ru gila mudui da ke jahar ba markaliang syaki pulit ke Maulai Police Station. Halor gani ke Jingja ke Nehusu haka khat artrik uyayong arjar khat khandai kala penlong da ke Jingïakynad paitba na Central Library jong ke School Ba Nehu syaka office trekam jong Vice Chancellor u Professor SK Srivastava bat IT ru hau da ke dorkhas jingdawa ban shimkhia ya kani ke kampo yeng kabalami hapdeng ke Nehusu bat u Pro Vice Chancellor ke Nehu Tura Campus.
Kajing dawa jungi minta kasih kalau bangsa por bangsa media kami memorandum dan nikah khas kalau bah inform ya ka inquiry committee hakaba kat kumpajing setenak jungi kila form ya kan inquiry committee buat tingin siapa ka kan inquiry committee kan lihat na bentar jungi man undi ide Professor Desmond Karmo Plang nak Department Cultural and Creative Studies buat arnget dia ki no hikai na Tura campus buat arnget ani na Shillong campus kawai ni dawa ya ka kajing pan maap naki pat kumjuk ru bikin drop iki charges ya ki bakila ai persya yang di Hendrik menta da kajing seng jo kani ka inquiry committee ki kerman skam hi bakat nang ya kini ki jing dawa jongi ru kinang man nang yo iki bangi dawa kalong bet ba kani kadi ka thma po yeng na kampo ye bangi ne le hi banla kan bala ban sulfur kat badang ya ka inquiry committee na da kadan kanu kajing sha kemno ingi te kanum dan Jingïakynad shu apreng jungi baka administration.
One of our demands from the Vice Chancellor is that to constitute immediately a committee to resolve the matter amicably between two parties. Make no mistakes, we are from the same university. And with us having all these, allegations that they have thrown towards us is very serious. We agreed at first with the Tura campus mutually that they will let bygones be bygones. And we would come to an amicable solution whereby we will solve it peacefully. But while we were on our way from Tura to Shillong, we were shocked to see a press release made by Tura campus and also an FIR was lodged against us. So as a result of which, at that day when we were still in Tura, Honorable President of Nehusu has already forgiven the proctor of Tura campus because he said, we will forgive each other. But after an FIR was filed, accordingly, we have to protect ourselves. Manhandling a woman is a very serious charge. So our president has to file an FIR against the proctor of Nehu Tura campus, the laborers and the Pro-VC for racially abusing us. So now what we have discussed today is to resolve all this, to come to the table and also to come up with a solution which will be suitable for both parties. But however, we would like to state very clearly that in the process of this discussion, in the process of this inquiry committee, if there is any arrest against any of our members, 9 delegate members who went to Tura campus, the Nehusu, the Joint Action Committee, which comprises of all the organization within the university, will no longer have any discussion with the administration. And if there is any escalation within the campus, then the Nehusu members will take no responsibility.